Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel, introducing the epitome of organizing and style our modern entry storage cabinet design ideas. These concepts redefine the entryway as a functional and fashionable space, seamlessly combining storage solutions with contemporary aesthetics, from sleek floating cabinets that maximize floor space into multi-purpose designs that conceal clutter. Our ideas cater to the demands of the modern living, embrace the beauty of minimalism with clean lines and neutral color palettes that creates an open and inviting atmosphere. Experiment with materials like wood, metal, and glass to add textures and visual interest to your entryway. Innovative features like built-in hooks, shelves, and shoe racks ensure a clutter-free and organized environment. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.